One of the best things about travelling in Asia, other than the food of course, is how far you can get your dollar to go. This means you can pinch your pennies a little and find incredible bargains, or splash your cash and live in luxury. Here our travel experts talk through the budget and luxury options so you can see what works for you.
I'm Charlotte Evans and I'm from Flight Centre in Eagle Street.
My name is Marlene Nolan and I'm a Business Development Manager with the APT Travel Group.
My name is Nathan from Flight Centre South Bank.
When thinking about budget in Asia, it really depends on who you are as a person. So are you someone who likes luxury, in which case your budget will be quite a bit higher? Are you someone that likes to go on public transport, go on the trains, find your way around? Do you want to have something that's all-inclusive, which means that you'll be paying more upfront, but you actually won't be paying anything when you get there? Or do you want to buy things as you go? So sometimes it does seem like a better option, but it can be more in the long run. So it really depends on how you prefer to travel and what suits your needs.
Well, I think an APT experience is for those people that like to have absolutely everything included. We do include all of the meals, all beverages, all of the touring is included. So I guess it's for those people that don't like to put their hand in their pocket for anything at all.
Choosing luxury in Asia is a great option because it's half the price than what luxury is in Australia. You pay a fraction of the figure and you get so much more. Some transfers, an amazing room, sometimes food or even a local guide's included in the price.
With APT in Asia, it's all about luxury. So we are 5 stars, so you're talking luxurious vessels that we cruise on, luxury dining experiences, luxury service. It's just amazing, really beautiful experience in Asia. And on board a river cruise, that whole concept of getting on board, unpacking once and everything is taken care of, that's a luxury in itself. The APT's brand new ship we're cruising on along the Mekong River is the Mekong Serenity. It is absolutely state-of-the-art luxury vessel. It actually only has 44 suites, so only 88 passengers, so very small, intimate. It also has a little nod to the colonial side of things, so where there's a lot of teak timber throughout, a lot of beautiful art pieces as well. So really lovely and luxurious.
Some of the best places to eat on a budget in Asia is honestly just the street food. So don't be afraid to try everything, to go where the locals go, to find little out of the way places, to be adventurous with your food. So it's surprising and you don't necessarily know what you're going to get, but that's half the fun.
Oh, there are many must-do food experiences in Asia, but probably my favourite would be in Vietnam. We actually, as part of the APT cruise, the land component before that where we stay in Ho Chi Minh City, we actually have an opportunity, it's called a freedom of choice option, to go and visit Luke Nguyen's grain cooking school.
It's really easy to do luxury when you're traveling around Asia because there are just so many options that you can choose from. You can do a private onsen that overlooks Mount Fuji in Japan. You can go have a Singapore sling at the Raffles. You can go to the Marina Bay Sands in Singapore. You can go to the club rooms in hotels in Hong Kong and have champagne, and they give you free cake while you're overlooking the city. One of the best things to do, I think, is a Halong Bay cruise through Vietnam. It's beautiful, it's luxurious, you don't have to do anything, and it's a great way of seeing a place that you can't necessarily get to yourself.
We also have our 4-star brand Travel Marvel, which forms part of the APT Travel Group. With Travel Marvel, we travel wherever we go with APT, so we have exactly the same program for places like Vietnam and Cambodia. The price point is about 20 to 25% less than APT, and with Travel Marvel you have inclusions such as sightseeing is all included, the wine and beer at lunch and dinner is also included, and there are a few optional extras that you can pay for to enhance your journey a bit more should you choose to. But that price point with Travel Marvel is about 20 to 25% less than the APT brand.